Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another property tour. If you guys are just tuning into this channel for the first time, I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, your Las Vegas realtor. So today I'm here in the city of Henderson, in this master plan community called Anthem Country Club. This is a guard arm gated community. The community has a golf course. And there's a bunch of neighborhoods in this community. Some may be gated, some may not be. Now, I'm very excited to do a full tour on this one. And the reason why is because of the Bucklet brothers. They did a rehab on this home. And the quality of the work is unbelievable. I love their style. I'm going to be a little bit more biased on this one because, hey, we're friends. Not only that, they do good work. So as you can see, the exterior of this home has been fully painted. Property is located on the corner of this little cul-de-sac here, which is really nice. Take a look at the eaves here. Everything's all painted. Really nice and crisp. Love the color choice, that's for sure. And the landscaping. Now, this home right here is 3,216 square feet. 4 bedrooms and also a den, total of 3 toilets. Completely renovated. Alright, so let's go inside. Let's see exactly what they got here. Alright, look how beautiful this thing is. But before I make my way inside, as a courtesy, we do have some booties here. I'm going to throw on my booties really quickly. So just hang tight. Oh, the asking price on here is $1.4 million for this home. Okay. All right, hold on, guys. Give me just a second here. Oh. Also, left the gimbal at the office. So we figure, you know what? We're going to try this new GoPro 10. Let me know in the comments below. Do you feel like it's stabilized? And also the audio too as well. So you have some beautiful shaker cabinets, full overlays with some black handles, which is really nice. Definitely have this beautiful quartz with the 45 with the waterfall. A 2-inch front face. Did a great job with the colors here. So this is more of like a dark, it's not black, but it's more of a dark espresso type of color. Wow, they did a really good job. Look at this gooseneck on this thing. Wow, interesting. Look at this. So you have this nice magnetic and also your faucet right here too as well. Stainless steel, undermounted sink. Definitely did the upgrades here with the lights. And what I like about this was the exhaust on the build out, and I love how they cladded this. In addition to that, you can tell this was a upgrade when they remodeled this home. They added the lights here with the light switch. You got the Thor grill 6-burner chef. Obviously, these are going to be dovetail cabinets. Okay. Soft closing. Great job. Love the backsplash. 42 upper cabinets with a 3-inch crown. You got the built-in refrigerator. Wonder if this was the original refrigerator. Let's take a look here. Oh, all brand new. Counter depth. With the counter depth, is going to be more money. This looks like a convection oven, which is really nice. You got the 2-tone paint, all brand new LED lights. This home is pretty much move-in ready at this point. Now let's take a look at the formal dining. Let me know how the audio sounds on here and also the stabilization. You got a nice 8-foot slide. Orange peel texture. You got the bullnose, and this looks like a 9-inch baseboard here. I love the flooring too as well. Now let's take a look here. We have a thermostat, and it looks like a Nest thermostat. Connect that to your Wi-Fi. You got the pantry. Alright, so let's take a look at the main living here. 20-foot ceilings, it looks like. I love how they took this wood and cladded the whole wall here. Create this feature wall. And I love the tile. And I love how they took these shrouds all the way to the top to keep this thing clean, especially with the black. Really nice. Really good job. So obviously this is a fireplace. I'm not too sure what the BTUs are. And I believe this right here is a 70-inch fireplace. I like that ceiling fan. That's gorgeous, huh? Love the fact that you got a lot of light here. The sun's about to set, so I'll try to hurry up as fast as I can. So take a look at this right here. If you guys want more information about this property, I will have the information in the link below. So this is actually your den. Pretty decent size. Again, I love how they created that feature wall. And also this was actually brilliant because you only have one single light here. So basically, they used a pendant lighting with a bunch of light bulbs and it really lights this place up. All right, great job on that. Here's the laundry room. Washer and dryer are included, and also the refrigerator. All right, let's go out to the garage. This is the two-car garage. Definitely a lot of ample storage. I mean, this is a true two-car garage. You got 3-foot span here, and you got about a 5-foot span, which will allow you to add cabinets to as well. Great idea. You got the Lift Master with the MyQ app. So that looks like it's pretty much brand new, and I love the fact that you do have the windows here too as well. All right, let's go back inside. Looks like we're just missing a cover plate right there, but that's easy. Easy to do. Alright. Nice 6-panel doors, 8-foot doors. Wow, I mean, look how gorgeous this thing is. Woo! Now, the Boca brothers, they flip $1 million homes. Also, the other thing is that they have a YouTube channel. I'll have that on the link in the description below. What I want you guys to do is you got to support, you know, the locals out here. Also, I believe that they are putting a course together too as well. And we are thinking about doing some sort of collaboration together. So hopefully that pans out. This is just a closet. It is a little bit dark here. Again, if you guys want more measurements on this room, I will have it in the link in the description below. Wow, I mean, this is just, I love this area right here. It's just like completely open. Look at that. Let's go into the primary. Primary is separate from the others. Again, you got the two-tone paint. The wall's been cladded as well. Then you have the fireplace there. I mean, look at the color in that fireplace. It's brilliant. You got the slider that takes you out back. You got this luxury vinyl that transitions into the, what is this, 12 by 24. Wow, look at that tub. Oh, I love that soapbox. Great job on that soapbox. Love that. Now, typically on the soapbox, what you'll notice is that inside the soapbox is the same style as the pan. And what they also did was, on this one, you only had a shower head. But I mean, if you're gonna re-gut this, you might as well just go ahead and have a handle for your shower too, which was a brilliant idea. Here's your water closet. I wonder if this was the original mirror. Yeah, this looks like the original mirror. "36 inches on the cabinets here. All right, let's go back out this way. Try to make this a little bit quicker here. So here's the bedroom. Ceiling fan. You got the walk-in closet. Let's see here. There you go. Here's the bathroom. Nice high cabinets. Definitely did a really good job. This looks like the original tub here. Okay. So we got some shelves. Let me kind of bring this back over here so y'all can see this. Then we got this bedroom. Definitely a burning daylight here, so. Now, HOAs are going to be $207 a month. Like I said, if you guys want more information, go ahead and click on the link in the description below. And this is the 3-car garage. See if I can get this up here or turned on. So you got the storage, which is really nice. You got the soft water, it looks like. All right. Let's go back inside. Let's go to the back here. Because that's what this is really all about. I love this right here. Look at this. It's just so gorgeous. Nice 12-foot center slide. Wow, it looks like the cooling deck. We took care of the cooling deck. Let me take off these booties real quick. Sit down. Give me a second, folks. All right. So this looks like it was originally here. I'm not too sure if this is a deck that they built. That's what it almost looks like. They cladded this with the tile here. I mean, take a look at all this. This is just, it's nice. Love the fact that everything is just nice, bright, and open. Now, you do have a home that's above here with the view fencing. However, it looks like their setback is probably a good 30 feet. So, which means that they're going to be hanging out over there. And they have shrubs here, so it looks like nobody should be coming over here to look on over. So, filter, heater, amazing, great job. I'm gonna go back into the favorite part of the home here. Give me a second while I put on these booties. Ugh. Like I said, if you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. This is the only channel that will do video tours here in Las Vegas. So let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are about this property, if you can see yourself living here, because I definitely sure I can. That's for sure. Let me know if you think it's definitely worth the asking price. Again, I will have the full detailed information in the link in the description below. If you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas. And have a blessed day, folks. Did you like that video home tour? Are you a fan of this channel and you want to get plugged into the real estate market? Well, I got something for you. We have a new channel, real estate, vlogs, Las Vegas lifestyle, behind the scenes, financing, flipping, commercial properties, interviews, local businesses, Chakits Krulsawat 2.0. Check it out.